The Earth we live in. Our future is threatened as this precious planet has recently suffered from severe air pollution.新化ENG, the only manufacturer specializing in small-sized smokeless combustors in Korea, is occupying the Korean domestic market in the small-sized combustor sector with over 25 years of independent technology and numerous know-how. 신화 ENG incinerates not only household waste generated in real life, but also various waste such as marine waste, industrial waste, plastic waste from rural areas and crops, without smoke and harmful gases. 신화 ENG's Miracle Incinerator has an air-cooled combustion method and a water-cooled combustion method. The air-cooled combustion method is a combustor with one stone and two sets that can be heated with radiant heat. This product has the effect of reducing fuel costs by 90% compared to general heating. The water-cooled combustion method burns in this primary combustion chamber and burns at a high temperature of 800 degrees Celsius or higher in the secondary combustion chamber. Odors are removed using urea water and an FDA-approved odor catalyst in a dry reaction tower. Steam is put here to first filter out fine dust and through a ceramic foam filter in the centrifugal force cyclone. Fine dust is completely removed and only clean gas is emitted. The characteristic of water-cooled combustion method is that it can also be used as a boiler. Even when water boils over 100 degrees Celsius, no steam is generated, so there are no complaints about air pollution. The Miracle series, which does not generate smoke and harmful gases, is an incinerator equipped with an innovative heating function that responds to economic hardship times, and anyone can operate it easily. Korea's first small incinerator, dioxin, and 36 other items were judged as conforming as a result of measurement by an accredited inspection agency. It is an eco-friendly incinerator and combustor that safely burns atmospheric pollutants such as dioxins, fine dust, nitrogen oxides, and sulfur oxides without harmful gases and smoke. It is completely combusted at high temperature of 800 degrees Celsius or higher to remove harmful substances other than dioxins, and solves the problem of air pollution with no steam. 신화 ENG is constantly challenging, researching, and thinking about the environment. And 신화 ENG makes tomorrow better than today. 신화 ENG.